Do you prefer glass tumblers over stainless steel ones? Well, I have something here for you that we'll unbox together. But quick disclaimer, I received this product free to try. So your glass tumbler will comes like this. All right. In a bubble wrap. Two bubble wraps. There are two straws here. And the lid. I like this cup because it allows me to drink more water all day long, and I appreciate that I can easily see how much water I've consumed throughout the day. The two-in-one design of the lid suits both my preferences of using a straw and sipping directly. The handle provides a comfortable grip, enhancing my drinking experience, and I can enjoy hot and cold beverages. The sturdy silicone sleeve not only protects the cup but also adds a stylish element. I appreciate the inclusion of two reusable straws, and the fact that the tumbler is dishwasher safe makes cleanup easy. The wide mouth design allows for effortless ice cube placement, and its stable base fits most cup holders, making it convenient for my on the go lifestyle.